This is exactly how this spacecraft travel. They grab space and raincoat it. That's why they stretch and contract when they travel high speed and long distance. See what it does, and look at what it does behind it. It creates a vortex. See how the ship stretches, then it contracts. See? Boom, boom. Look how fast he went across the rings. I lost the focus right there, but the image is very rare to find those images. I tried to, they don't no longer exist. These images are, the video is, NASA took it down. I got it from some guy from Italy. It's called Italian Explorer. That's the best video I've seen supporting what I call the matrix and the electromagnetic vehicles, because the space is so electromagnetic. And that's a demonstration perfectly how these ships grab and look the long cylindrical object and they create a gamma burst. That's why they keep getting gamma burst from the universe, it's not the background radiation, it's from those crafts. They emit such a powerful electromagnetic pulses that it appears they come from trillions of miles away, and they're not, they're here in the solar system. Look at the electromagnetic vehicles, exactly right where Dr. Begram say they would be. And then you see this strange presence, eyes, you can see always these weird eyes everywhere. Every time you see these images in space, you will see these eyes. And they look reptilian to me, the pupil is vertical. So, look right there. Look at the eyes right there. You can look at every space shuttle where they show something in space. That's why they try not to focus the high definition images of space, because this is what you will see, these strange faces of, I mean, these things are ultra gigantic faces. I don't know what they are, if they are projections or they are this entity, because, man, you're talking about thousands of miles big. A face that big is impossible. Well, not impossible, but golly. Look, there's another pair of eyes right there, and they look reptilian to me. That's what I say, that this solar system and the galaxy itself must be a reptilian control. Look at the eyes right there. I mean, but you're talking very, very huge ass projections of faces. Look at the eyes right there. Left eye, right eye. And then you see another face right there, but it's all like a reptilian looking ones. And you can see the same thing all over this image. And that's just one image alone. just people cannot grasp this deal. It's just, I mean, it's hard for me to grasp it, but that's what I'm seeing from my research. It's all over. In every picture from the orbiters, the Pioneer, the Galileo, the Voyager, Cassini, they're all over the place. All this, you see the same thing, and the space has these electromagnetic corridors and tubes and stuff that goes everywhere. I mean, I'm trying to put a presentation, but you can see the electromagnetic energy right there. It's like a cloud. And you can see this cylindrical object there, but they appear like boom in an instant and they're gone in an instant. Look how this thing is gonna fly around the ring, the F ring, Saturn's F ring. Look at the cylindrical object. It's at least 80,000 miles long. And the sun, like Dr. Bergman say, is not what we think it is, what scientists keep telling us. See how it stretches and contracts? Boom. Check it out. And then you see all of this, like, it's like millions of those things, tubes, and these are the like I said, the corridors, the skeleton of the universe. And that's the only what we call the matrix. Well, look, there is the body of a man right there. I mean, you don't have to take my word for it. Just look at the image. Look, the body of a man right there. The eyes and everything. I mean, look at the body, legs, torso, arms, and head. And it's not just one, it's millions of them. I mean, they're all over. Look at the arms, the torso, the legs, the feet right here, and the head. You got a big head and the eyes, and it looks reptilian to me. I mean, it's just, but the fact that it's like us, arms, legs, torso, and head, the same type of body, is really, that must be like the universal model for living intelligent things. There might be other forms, but I guess that's the main type. So the Creator must be like that too. It's like they say we were created to His image. He must be like us in shape, at least, you know. Of course, He's pure light, pure energy, pure consciousness. But I can see in this thing, I can see heads, eyes, I mean, everywhere. And that is, I mean, that's something to think about. What is space? And boom, burst. And then look at the electromagnetic vehicle right there. The black and white deal is the signature of electromagnetic energy. It's universal, it's everywhere. Every single time you see objects, that's their signature. Black and white. Look at this one. Boom, boom, boom. It went from here to here and it's going away. And then there are other things, but you can see faces in the background. I mean, huge faces, eyes and stuff. It's just that this is hard to grasp, man. This is just, I mean, it's just hard to grasp. I don't know. Few people make fun of what I say. Oh, you see elephants in clouds, and you see Saturn and Jupiter. Those are solid planets. There's no gas. That's bullshit. What NASA's been telling us is all lies. And look, right here is the body of a huge entity. The torso, the head, right there, the mouth, the nose, the eyes, and it has like either horns or some protrusion shit on the head. But it's mixed because the torso is another big head. It's always mixed like that. But if you can know, somebody that has never seen this is just not gonna grasp it. It's just not gonna, oh, this guy is tripping. Well, if you see the same shit in 2,000, 3,000 images, I don't think that's just a fluke. And look how the object went from here to there, and it's fading away. Then there is another one here, black and white, the same electromagnetic as all of these ones, and a face right there. But if you study the image, you see faces everywhere. I don't know if those are just projections or what, but look, another burst of energy. Boom. There it is, black and white, electromagnetic projection. Look how strange this thing looks. Oh, they're all strange. And then you see these tubes, like I say, the skeleton of the universe, the matrix. It's like electromagnetic corridors and shit like that. That's what I think. That's how they travel, using those shortcuts. They go in and appear somewhere else at the speed of thought.